Yo guys, it's Hayden. What up? Back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a fix on my dirt bike. Not my dirt bike. On my, what's it called? So I was just recording a video for like 15 minutes and then it stopped. I don't know why. Okay. So I already had 3 of these bolts off and I'm using this type of I'm using this screw to take them off, right? So if you don't know how to do this, so you're gonna put that in. Yeah, it's gonna be loose, okay. Put it so it's going like that way. And then that thing should not be out, right? Okay, and then you're gonna hold this down until you can't no more. You got the attachments in the door. And then you're gonna put it over the screw. Oh my god. There we go. Oh, I see the problem. There we go. I should fix it. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. I'll put these on. Make sure to switch. There we go. That one's in. This should work once. The thingy wasn't connected to the wire wasn't connected to the battery. I'm gonna charge it. Let me put one screw on so it just doesn't like flip off when I flip it over. Whoa, it was doing the same thing. Oh, big save. There we go. And now I'll just keep it in. I'm gonna flip it over because so here it is. Okay, now I'm gonna flip this back up. So it's to do. But you already got the gist. If this works, oh my gosh, I will be really happy. There we go. This one isn't screwed in. None of these are screwed all the way. There we go. There we go. And we might need that later if this doesn't work. Oh shoot, I forgot what I did. I put the charging port back in its place. So the problem was it wasn't getting charged. The charging port actually got disabled from it. So I just fixed it. I put it back together, and now it's like completely dead. So I've got to charge this thing. So basically there's this red and black wire connected to. So it's these small wires connected to this big pink wire. And then the black one got disconnected from the red one. So all you have to do is it got disconnected from the pink one. I'm sorry, messed that up. And then all you have to do is just put that back in. It takes 2 seconds. Yeah. So if that helped you, please leave a like. If this video did not help you, leave a like or dislike this video. And if you have charging problems, because I don't know how to solve all the problems on this, but if your charging wasn't working, leave a like if this helped, and leave a dislike if it did not help, and I can message you, and I can teach you how. So, peace. My finger's like orangish white. Goodbye.